Hey guys, and Merry Christmas, and I'm here to show that I can now solve a Rubik's Cube. I found out how, so I'm just going to do a quick scramble here. I'll look away. Okay, so now we got the scrambled thing. Now, just going to solve quickly. I don't have all the memories done. Like, I can't remember all the algorithms, but I have the first part memorized. But I wrote a sheet of paper showing all the algorithms so I can memorize it easier. Okay, if you want, I'll do a more professional video than this. It's just a quick video. I'll be back. You can see the white is solved and these two layers are solved. So I'm back, and as you can see, I had that before I stopped. I have these first two layers done and the bottom's right here. So now I'm going to start the algorithms. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now I got the fish. That I skipped a step there. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Not the fish like that. Now I repeat it. R, U, R prime, U, R, U times 2, R prime. So now the whole white side completed, and with the algorithms I just momentarily mess it up. And I have these two parts of red done. So I can move on to my next page, which is R prime, F prime, R prime, back times 2, R, F prime, R prime, V times 2, R times 2. Now I have all of blue solved, all of white, and all of yellow. Jeez. And I have to go clockwise twice. So R times 2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. So now I have yellow solved again. Then do it again. R times 2, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U. Then to finish it all off, as you can see, R prime. That's a complete Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. So, oh jeez. Now all of the sides are complete. So, orange, blue, red, green, white, and yellow. And you can learn to, I just go to, there's lots of videos on YouTube channels. I'm trying to learn F2L right now, which means first two layers. Right now I'm using the beginner's method. And these are the sheets that the algorithms are on that I memorized. But, remember, Sorry. People say like cubing is so hard, but it really isn't right now. I'm getting a speed cube online. Jeez. And I am learning how to do left too. Sorry, how to do one-handed. So thanks for watching. Also, I just want to say happy 2016. I hope everyone had a good year. I think I'll be putting together like all the good videos for this year. And that's checkerboard. And that's just something random. Anyway, thanks for watching.